You can't handle the smoke, dog. You were never meant to handle the smoke. So stop trying. Just to let y'all know, he stopped letting all the comments come in. When you can't handle smoke, stop talking shit. I don't care. Fuck you and your bullshit. I'm gonna keep sending them. I told you, this doesn't stop. Just because it's been 2 years, and you want to decide to say something stupid again, now I'm bringing them back, and now you're trying to shut down comments? It ain't over, dog. It's not over. Don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button. Solo Yacker, deuces.